I'm standing on a vacant lot in Paramore at the corner of Paramore Avenue and Connolly Street. Now, this used to be known as Paramore Village, and more than 100 people lived here, some of them for more than 30 years. Orlando officials decided these homes were too old and too run down and needed to be torn down. They wanted to replace them with a new development that would be mixed income instead of just putting together all of the community's poor residents. The city spent more than $1 million to buy up these homes from the people living here, some of them not willingly. Now, more than 10 years after their first try, the city's going to try again. They're going to take this land back from that developer, eventually pick a new developer who will build new homes here. But until that happens, this community will have this vacant lot, this broken down fence, and this sign that promises homes that just haven't come. For OrlandoSentinel.com, I'm Mark Schlup.